Hi, I'm Tim McGuire, and here we are in Hell's Kitchen, New York City, my backyard. This is my barbecue diesel. What I'm going to demonstrate for you today is how to make barbecue pizza, because now it's about 96 degrees here in the Big Apple, and it's just too hot to cook inside. What I have here is some pizza dough that I made earlier. It's a semolina based. What I'm just going to do is pat it out a little bit. It's been rested nice, so it's nice and soft. And what I'm going to do is take some semolina flour, and I'm going to dust it on the board. Take it, take my rolling pin, and roll it out. Now we don't want it too thin, but we want it just thin enough, because today we're grilling on the gas side. We're grilling on this side because we want to cook it rather quick. If we were doing this on the wood side, then we would make it a little bit thicker. Now myself, I prefer semolina flour, is because it adds a little bit more of a crunch to it. Just rolling it out. All right. All right, that looks about right. Let me do it a little bit this way, because we do want it a little bit thicker on the outside of it. All right, here we are. That's about the shape that we want. This is going to be for 3 people. So the next step is, we've got the grill piping hot. Now it's about 475 degrees. So what we're going to do is take a little bit of peanut oil with a paintbrush. It's blasting. And what we're going to do is we're going to season the grates. So this way the pizza does not stick. All right. Now the next step is, I'm going to take the pizza and drop it right on it. Just like that. Now because it's so piping hot, it's really not going to take that long to cook. This side is being cooked. I'm going to take some more oil and I'm going to put it on the top, so when I flip it, it doesn't stick. All right, beautiful. It really does go fast. I'm just going to close it and let the heat be trapped in there a little bit. All right, so now it's been about 5 minutes. Really hot grill. I think it's ready to be flipped. Oh yeah, beautiful. Now what we're going to do here, since it's a barbecue pizza, I'm going to apply a little bit of my homemade barbecue sauce. It's a little bit sweet and smoky on the same side. Just a little bit. See, the thing that I love most about barbecue pizza is
Grilling the pizza gives the crust that grilled burger bun taste, a real summertime flavor.
because I don't want to overpower it with the sauce. Next, we're going to put the cheese. What I have here is mozzarella cheese as well as a nice New York sharp cheddar. All right, beautiful. Not too much. Next, since it's the summertime, there's never a shortage of roast pork or grilled ribs around here. So I'm going to put a little bit of roast pork on top. It smells amazing. Juicy. All right, good. Next, little red onion. I love this stuff.
Heirloom tomatoes from my garden.
This is more for color. Beautiful.
Some green onions.
And finally, the jalapenos. Because you know, a party's not a party unless we have some fresh chili. That's it. Close the top and let the grill do the work. All right. And now it's been about 6 minutes. I think that it might be done now. All right, beautiful. Hot. All right. The cheese is nicely melted. Let's take this thing off. Evenly cooked. As you can see, all the cheese is melted. It smells amazing. Let's cut this thing. You can hear that it's so crispy. Yeah. I can say, you know, I said it was for 3 people, but I think I could eat this whole thing by myself. It smells amazing. Just too hot. Now's the time to taste it. I gotta let it cool down a couple minutes. All right, I can't wait any longer. I think it's cooled down just enough so I don't burn my mouth. Best part now, tasting it. It smells amazing. I can't wait. I want a piece with a lot of pork on it.
All right. So good. Crispy. The semolina flour really brings some extra crunch. That grilled barbecue flavor, the pork, the barbecue sauce, and those jalapenos. Whoa, absolutely wonderful. Grilled pizza, really good in the summer. I hope watching this I showed just how easy it is to make grilled pizza, and this gives you a bit more confidence in your barbecue game. Anybody can do this. I want to tell you this, thank you for watching. My name is Tim McGuire, and always remember, food is life, and life is good.